Maldives, a paradise most people know for calm beaches and luxury resorts. But hidden behind its turquoise waters lies an adventure world that only a few travelers ever discover. Today, we explore the 10 most thrilling adventure places in the Maldives. From underwater worlds to high-speed ocean experiences. Let's begin our journey. The adventure starts beneath the surface, in the crystal-clear waters of Vaavu Atoll. Here, divers come face to face with hundreds of manta rays gliding like silent giants. The water feels alive, the sunlight dances through the waves, and every moment feels like entering another dimension. The power of the ocean calls from Vaavu Atoll. This is where courageous divers explore deep channels and untouched reefs filled with sharks, colorful corals, and dramatic underwater landscapes. It is wild, raw, and pure adrenaline. For those who crave speed, Maafushi Island is the hub of water sports. Jet skis ripping across turquoise waves, parasailing high above the ocean, and banana boats spinning with laughter. The island never sleeps when it comes to thrills. Then comes one of the Maldives' most iconic adventures. Swimming with gentle giants at South Ari Atoll. Whale sharks, the largest fish in the sea, glide slowly beside you. It's peaceful, emotional, and unforgettable. In the heart of the ocean lies Vaavu Atoll, home to the famous Shark Point. Here, adventure lovers dive at night, surrounded by dozens of nurse sharks moving like silhouettes under the moonlit water. It's frightening and magical at the same time, but adventure isn't only underwater. On the small sandbanks of Fulidhoo, travelers ride the waves with traditional Maldivian paddle boats, surrounded by endless blue in every direction. It's simple, pure, and deeply connected to nature. Far from the busy islands, Vaavu Atoll welcomes advanced divers into strong currents and vibrant marine life. This is where reef sharks, tuna, and eagle rays create a powerful underwater show. Then we move to Digra, a narrow island stretching through the ocean like a natural pathway. Here, kayaking and drone flying offer some of the most cinematic views in the entire Maldives, endless lagoon colors blending like a painting. The adventure continues at the remote Hulhumalé island, known as the Galapagos of the Maldives. Tiger sharks patrol the deep blue, attracting thrill seekers and experienced divers from around the world. We end at Hulhumalé, where adventure meets modern energy. From windsurfing to ocean kayaking, this island mixes city life with tropical excitement, making it the perfect ending to our Maldivian adventure trail. The Maldives is not only a paradise for relaxation, it is a land of adventure, energy, courage, and unforgettable ocean beauty. Every island has a new thrill waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this Maldives adventure journey, make sure to subscribe for more world travel videos. And tell us, which country should we explore next?